Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by targeting the tabs to remove. Open Chrome and quickly cycle with Control plus Tab to locate unwanted pages. Once done, group related tabs so you don't accidentally close needed ones. Right-click any tab and choose Add to New Group. Make sure to pin or mute important tabs first. That way they remain anchored while you close the rest. This prevents data loss and keeps playback from restarting. Now you're ready for bulk removal and more precise closure methods. You continue by using efficient selection methods. Select a contiguous range with Shift plus click or non-contiguous tabs with Control plus click, then hit Control plus W to close selected ones quickly. If you need a directional cleanup, right-click a tab and choose Close Tabs to the right or Close Tabs to the left. This is faster than individually closing. Once done, open Chrome's Task Manager with Shift plus ESC to end any rogue tab processes that still consume memory, which frees RAM and stabilizes the browser. You finish by confirming closures and recovering anything you accidentally removed. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to reopen the last closed tab or tabs. If unwanted tabs reappear or behave oddly, make sure to disable extensions via Chrome, / extensions and retry. Some extensions reopen or manage tabs automatically. If problems persist, reset Chrome settings to defaults in Settings, right arrow Reset Settings to remove persistent session behaviors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.